Hello everyone. So today we're going to tackle a different use case. It is the model lineage. Just to resume of what we have already discussed before, in the previous videos we talked about the best practices, the findings, the agent studio and how this can be helpful for your project, the AI assistant and the dashboard. So I'm just going to close this down, go back here to the model lineage. So here in the model lineage it's the same thing that DBT have, but the difference here is you can basically use the AI that you want. You can bring different AI key. You can have the lineage here. There is the columns, SQL, and lineage. So let's close this down so we can have more space in our screen. And let's go to these pop-ups here. We can see it's a view lineage or ask AI. So view the lineage, it's simply what we already have in DBT. So if I click plus here, I can see what's going on. If I just click another plus, just one for example, sorry, there we go, and yep. So you can manipulate, you can zoom in, zoom out, do whatever basically. So let's close this one as this is already familiar. If I go back here to the Ask AI, basically I can work with the AI mainly to understand how I can refactor this model, change something, or I don't know, maybe delete this one safely without impacting different models. Here we have different contexts that we can give to the AI. We can ask him to summarize, we can give him a standard context, which is about 50% of the lineage. So if there is 10 models in the connected to this D customer, it will receive approximately about 5 models from upstream and downstream, meaning 2 or 3 from downstream, 2 or 3 from the upstream. Or if we want the full, so if I just go say, can you read this? So he will go and read and give you back the exact context that you want, just related to this model. No need to go ahead and explain everything about this model. He already knows where to look, what to see. And also keep in mind that we are using the same API key that we connected here in the settings, if you remember, which is Grok. So we are using one API key to do multiple jobs. So coming back to the model lineage, and many more basically you can do with this one. And the nice thing is, if you change the model, you see it's also changing here. So you don't need every time to say to him, hey, look, just for this model. Every time you click on a model, it follows you basically. So another thing is you can search by column. For example, if I say customer, or I don't know, for example, order ID, I can see where this order ID is coming from, which models already it exists, so it will help you debug or find issues quickly and faster. The nice thing about VORO here, you don't need really to copy and paste from DBT project to an external AI. You can just bring your manifest.json, connect the AI, and VORO, what it will do basically, it will indexes all the projects, all the content of their project, and gives it to the AI so the AI can read it and reply to you and help you in your debugging journey or refactor ticket or whatever you are doing. So that's it for today's video. We saw today the model lineage. Next video we're going to see the column lineage, which is really interesting, and this is really helpful for most engineers, I believe. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next time.